Good morning, Mr. Sala, Fyce class. New information has been advised to the teachers, and I am now passing it on to you. For those of you that are currently remote, or for any student that might have to go remote because they're quarantining, the expectation is that you. All right, I apologize for that pause. So as I was saying, if you are fully remote or you have to go remote at any point, the expectation is that you are logging in to each class during that specific class time. That is the expectation I will follow. If you choose not to do that, you will miss out on the information on the assignments. You can email me, but I'm not going to type out the explanation when I gave it during the Google Meet or your allotted class time. So if you're choosing not to log into the Google Meet, then make sure you're checking Classroom and completing the assignments as directed. Okay, last couple of points. Again, you have a Google Doc, a running doc with notes. Starting Tuesday, the 19th, you will now start having some opening questions that will be in Classroom or be posted on the board in the actual school that you'll need to reply. You'll add those to your notes. Make sure you're dating and titling the questions and those responses. Tests. We will have our first test next week. It'll be a Google form. This is key. You can only take the test during your allotted time of 8 to 8:30. So if you are remote and you do not regularly log in, you need to log in on those test days, and you will know ahead of time which days those are. If not, you take a 0 for the test. Yesterday's assignment was the time tracker, where you're tracking your time for a week, and then you had questions on Chapter 1 and 2. Chapter 1 and 2 questions are due at the end of the day, Tuesday, but you're continuing with your time tracking through Wednesday, and then you'll use that for your essay and turn that in with your essay when you have the due date for that. So just make sure you're turning things in on the due date. If not, they're subject to a late penalty, and I will not accept any assignment past 2 weeks. Hopefully you're listening to this video, because this is now the new norm. Have a great weekend, and we will see you on Tuesday.